Assalamu alaikum warahmatullahi wabarakatuh. Hello dear student. Now today we will introduce the number 51 to 60. So student, let's start. Okay dear student, now start. 1, 2, 3, 4 and 5. This is a bunches of tens. How many tens? 1, 2, 3, 4 and 5. 5 tens and 1 unit. 5 tens and 1 unit. 5 tens, 1 unit, 51. 1, 2, 3, 4, 5. 5 tens and 1, 2. 2 unit. 5 tens, 2 unit, 52. 52. And 5 tens, 3 unit. 5 tens, 3 unit, 53. 5 tens, 4 unit, 54. 5 tens and 5 unit, 55. 55. 5 tens and 6 unit, 5 tens, 6 unit, 56. Same as 1, 2, 3, 4, 5. 5 tens and 7 unit, 1, 2, 3, 4, 5, 6 and 7. 7 unit. 5 tens, 7 unit, 57. Right here 57. And 5 tens, 8 unit, 5 tens, 8 unit, 58. 58. And 1, 2, 3, 4, 5. 5 tens and 1, 2, 3, 4, 5, 6, 7, 8 and 9. 9 unit. 5 tens and 9 unit, 59. And last number is 1, 2, 3, 4, 5 and 6. 6 tens. 6 tens and no unit. No unit means 0. So 6 tens and 0 unit. 6 tens, 60. 6 tens and 0 unit means 60. 60, 60. So student, read again. 51, 52, 53, 54, 55, 56, 57, 58, 59 and 60. 60, 60 means 6 tens and 0 unit, 60.